gonna do with all this hair? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHon. Today's video is brought to you by ISeeHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now before I get into these bundles, okay, the inches, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from ISeeHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is another M-cap unit, and it is a Kinky Straight 28 inches. Can y'all see? Look, it's about the same length as my daggone arm. Look at these bundles. Look at the bundles. It's real soft. It smells decent, but you know I'm gonna spray it down anyway, just to make sure I'm not gonna be funky around Kin nostrils. Let me get my hair perfume. Get my bundles a little spritzing. Be careful. I'm gonna top it with a little bit of water, just a spritz, just a little. Help sleek that hair out and then flyaways before I blow dry it. You do get replacement accessories in your packaging. That includes 3 combs and 1 elastic band. For my wig, I'm gonna take off my side combs because y'all know I don't really use the combs on my side, so I'm just gonna pull those out. Before I put this on my head, let me look at this pamphlet really quick because I like seeing my name. There we are, Kai. Inspired by Kai. That's me. So that C-shaped ear design works really well for my ears and for my glasses because you know I gotta see in real life. I don't wear these joints for fun. But let me go ahead and tint my lace really quick. I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus powder in the color Creamy Bronze. Dust it a little bit, especially around those edges. I do want to rock this unit as intended, which is glueless. They claim that it's glueless, no spray is needed. It's supposed to be a fitted cap with that M-cap design. So you know, don't make me a liar. 28 inches though, goodness gracious. What am I gonna do with all this hair? Put that right around there, bring it down. Ooh, it's gonna be too tight. I might have to loosen it. I wanna make sure it's not gonna be too snug on my head. Loosen it, there we go. And with the elastic band, you can loosen it on both sides. So you have one over here, and then you have one over here. All right, that is pretty snug. Goodness gracious, that is amazing. This is a wig. Do y'all see that? And y'all see this melanin? Yeah, so we blending pretty decent. It's looking a little square, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt it down with our Nairobi mousse. Before I do that though, let me just bring some hairs down. Okay. What they don't have is a band. I don't wanna have to find my own band. I mean, I will. And I actually made you like a little ponytail look for this wig because of how this is sitting so nicely. All right, then we're gonna wrap it. Get it out my face. And now I need to blow dry my hair and comb it out real quick. 28 inches. What am I gonna do with all this hair? I'm about to show out. Me brushing it kind of helped the sleekness, but I'm gonna do a little bit more. So I'm gonna blow dry it on high heat. Okay, let me stand up for a second so it comes down past my waist. Now for the layers, I don't really have any. I mean, I have some, but not too much. The ends are not too scraggly, and the hair doesn't feel like it thins out too much to the end. Sometimes when you get a longer unit, it's thick at the top and then it thins out way too much at the end. That is good, I see. I don't think they have this length on the website. I'm pretty sure they sent me this custom length just to try it. Maybe they'll add it later, but the longest one they have is 26 inches. You want a long unit, 24 to 26 is pretty much a good length. I plugged in my TYMO Hot Combs. Let's just work that really quick. Have it on the 4th setting. So I want to sleek out the hair even more. Make sure I go under and down. It's not melting my hair, so that's good. I'm not seeing no black film on my fingers. This TYMO Hot Comb is a must buy. Y'all see what it's doing right now? Do you see the difference? Don't lie to me. That whole face of this is hot. So use the sides as well to straighten it out. Getting some flyaways though, but we're gonna fix that with a little bit of hairspray. Ooh, Hot, hot, hot. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. Spray it just like this on top and then lay it down. I can do my makeup really quick and then we'll come back and finish up the styling for this wig. I wanna do an up style, kinda, sorta. And just comb that back like that. She is sliding back a little bit. Unfortunately, because my head is big, I may need to spray down my front. So I'm using my Ultimate Hold Melt Spray, just a little bit around the front. Just enough to hold my wig in place. Again, I need security for my ponytail. If I want to wear this wig out, I don't have to spray it down. But for my ponytail, I need to spray her. Y'all see how that melted? Goodness gracious. Look at that. It's like a little triangle here. Brush this back. Let's see, do I want it back like this? Do I want two pieces here? A little bit thicker over here, hold up. And I think that's good. Brush it out. Tighten this down. One more, I think I can get it. I don't want it to be too many baby hairs. Just want it to look very wispy and natural. I'm gonna tint my lace, a little bit of my contour, just like that. Look up, make sure that's good. I wanna add a little bit of curl. I'm just curling my ends. I don't need the entire wig to be curled. Make sure I spray it with my hairspray. Oh, this is going by pretty fast. Make sure I get my front pieces. Uh-oh, there we go. Hold this up. And I think we are finished. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. As far as the length is concerned, this is a lot of hair. I could definitely stick with the 22, 24 as my max length, but this 28 inches is, you know, it's still nice. Now, even though I'm getting a little warm under my lights, it's chilly outside. So you may wanna go ahead and get some bundles to wrap up in. I'm just saying, y'all saw I sprayed mine down, so you know if you do gotta spray yours down, it will melt. Okay, I like it. I did get some shedding for this unit around my hairline. This M cap does come with the bleach knots and the tiny knots. And like I told y'all before, when you have both, the hair is even more degraded on the top. We ask for pre-bleached knots and smaller knots to make it look more seamless, but sometimes we ask and we shall not receive. So when it comes to washing, pulling, plucking, it will come out very easy. So make sure you practice low manipulation when it comes to these type of wigs, especially if you don't want your hairline to start balding quickly. And even with using the glueless spray, take it off with water. If you just yank it off, you're gonna lose some hair when you do that. Spray it down with the water, let it sit, and then it should just come right off. You shouldn't have to peel it. It comes right off once the water has done its thing. My curls did not last. That was a waste of time. I just wanted to do something. The install was too fast. You know, the video was gonna be 2 minutes long. I'm just saying. Is that it? I think so. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to ISeeHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.